So today I just want to make a video about a product that might help us straighten out this dryer vent issue. And this dryer's always had a weird offset vent connection, and I temporarily lengthened this until I could get a better solution for this misaligned pipe that wouldn't just collapse it when it pushes back. So this is more of a stiffer, harder flex pipe here, and I just added this until I could order something better, and the original flex hose was crimped. So I was having some flow issues back here. After cleaning out the whole system with a vent brush, I simply used a drill powered dry vent cleaning brush like this, actually this exact one from Home Depot. I was glad they had it in stock, and it's cheaply made, but it is cheap, and although it worked, I needed more than 8 feet, so I really needed to buy 2 kits. I ended up making mine extended to get me by, but with that said, if you don't have more than 8 feet, that's fine. But I also will say, for the same price, if you go ahead and just order this ahead of time, you can get these same little nylon, little cheap lint brush kit. They can go up to 30 feet, and I think it actually has the true drill adapter instead of the other one that you have to chuck the barrel of that rod into your drill. But this kit actually comes with like a hex adapter that's truly meant for your drill, and so you get over 3 times the reach with this one. So I think it's well worth getting this one, and I use it just like so to get through some tight turns and running it through there with the drill. It really did clean it well. My duct did look very similar to the picture here. I run the brush through there, then from the inside I took my Ego blower and I sealed it up well. That's a key point. I sealed it up well inside and blew it out, and a lot of that stuff blew out of there. So I was fortunate enough to get it good and clean. But do want to take time here to remove this hose and see if we can find a better hose connecting system here. Excuse the mess behind the dryer. It has been over a month or so since we did clean up back here. Just sharing this in real time here. I will clean this up better before we come back. And by the way, this foam that's on the right side facing the dryer, that's where they used to have the vent going through at one time, and they had the dryer in the garage, and then they had a 90-degree hose that came and went out from this location where it was originally. So that foam there is just my way of sealing that hole up and still be able to use it that way if it's ever needed. But the reason I have the hose this long for now is because I can't get into it in this setup. I have to pull it out. There's no room in between the washer and dryer in this little small area. I'm just going to simply loosen up these clamps and take this long extended hose off like so. Hopefully we won't be going back with this hose, but as you can see, it is still clean. It hasn't been that long ago. It was cleaned out pretty well. So I do want to try this magnetic dryer vent from MagVent. I have had my eye on this for quite some time, and I do want to give it a try. I like the way that it just snaps together, so I do have it in. So let's take a look at it. The mountain hardware is stuck to it. You can definitely feel the strong magnet, and Harvey Dog didn't like the crinkle sound of the flex hose. That thing is strong now. Yeah, fits together very well. I like that a lot. I can probably put it on like so, but I believe I can remove this adapter and to go in even further. If you had to mount it to your wall, it has that plate where you can mount it like so and then clip it onto that plate. Mine needs to go to this PVC pipe, so removing this adapter, it looks like, yeah, mine just fits in nice and snug. I can just push it in nice and tight. Awesome. I'll just save this for later in case I need it. Does have the instruction sheet included. I will also put the dimensions up on the screen. Hopefully you'll find it helpful in the event that you would like to use this magnetic vent coupling as well. It also does come with the mounting hardware as mentioned earlier, if you had to mount yours to the wall. And we also have about 12 inches of the flexible hose already attached here. And we do have a hose clamp. Harvey Dog's gone again. He does not like the sound of that flexible hose at all. That does seem short, but I think that's the beauty of this product, is you shouldn't ever need any more length than this, because you're going to be able to push your dryer right up to it and connect, and you don't have to have it pulled out all the way with the hose still connected. So I'm really digging this. I like the idea a lot. Pops right on, pushes in very easy, and can pull off just like so when you slide it out. Let's give it a try. Gonna put our hose clamp on here, and I'm gonna fast forward through pre-tightening this up a little bit to get the size close. And then we'll slide it on the back of our dryer, and we'll fast forward through tightening up this clamp. I'm using a flat screwdriver. I have one close by, but you can also use a 5/16 nut driver if you would like. And there we go. I like that. It's hanging down, and you know, it might actually connect right up, but I think I might just hook a string to it. That way hopefully it'll show on video if I keep it lined up how well it connects. So this might not even be needed, but as you can see here, I have a little orange string tied here, and I can just pull up on it if I need to for alignment, but it might just connect right up. It connected right up. And how about that?
Oh, would you look at that? Right up and right over. Just look at that. I like that.
Yep. That's going to be so much better. I think this is going to work just as I'd hoped, and I like it a lot. Just want to double check my dryer power cord here and make sure it's not getting pinched, and it's fine. Move this around a little bit. Just making sure the magnets do hold together well. Pulled out on it like it got moved around abruptly and it's still held. Get the string out of the way here. Push it around just a little bit more. Push it up like so. And awesome. Yeah, moving around, it seems to be just fine. So here's what it looks like now compared to what it looked like before. And that is a huge difference. And I really like it. So I've used this for a few weeks now before I posted this video, so it is working extremely well. Just thought I would share this. Not affiliated with the product, and they didn't send it to me. I just bought it because I needed a solution and I felt like it would fill the need, and so far I'm very happy with it. So I hope you found this video helpful today. I'll have a link down in the video description so you can check this out for yourself if you're interested. I also have links to some other interesting things I use a lot on my workbench. So any of those links you click on are affiliate links, and they help support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless.